Welcome back, guys. So the other day I threw in my batteries in my RV, and even after being on the trickle charger all winter, they still went dead.
No, it's not working.
Okay, try this. Go now.
Yes. It stopped.
Well, that doesn't make any sense. I had those batteries on the charger all winter. Okay. Well, guess we need new batteries.
New batteries?
Yep.
You sure?
They've been on the charger.
I mean, I guess, yeah. They've been on the charger.
Yeah, I don't know. All right. Well, I'll work on that later. I'll plug in the trailer so you can put out the slide.
Okay, thanks.
So I got online and started researching different lithium batteries. I looked at a few different brands, and one brand that I kept coming back to was Lion Energy. Started researching them a little bit more, and conveniently, they are located here in Utah, not too far away from me. So I'm just here at Lion Energy to grab my new lithium battery, throw it in the RV, and let you guys know how it does. Based on what I've learned, one lithium battery, their 1300 series, should basically be like my two RV batteries I have now. So I'm hoping by buying one battery, I can therefore get the power of two. I know lithium batteries are expensive, but I'm hoping that the overall investment in this is going to be better in the long run than my lead acid batteries. So let's go on inside and grab my lithium battery, and then we can get it installed. Well, that went a little bit differently than I thought. They saw me out filming around and stuff as I first got there, and they said, "Oh, what you doing, blah, blah, blah." I explained our little YouTube channel, and they said, "Why don't we give you a promotional code to save your viewers 15% on anything they purchase from us?" So I was like, of course, heck yeah, that sounds great. And now all of you that enter the code jauntjunkies, click on the link down below, you can get 15% off any purchase, whether it's solar panels, portable generators, batteries like my Safari UT1300 that I just picked up, all that sort of stuff. And that's huge. 15% off is a great discount, and it goes a long way to show what type of company this is, that they want to get their product out to people. So if you are looking into buying through them, please use our discount code. Save yourself some money, but also it lets them know that you saw them on our channel, which is awesome for us. Now I just need to get home and get this thing installed. Alright, so here we have one of our lead acid batteries, and then the other one, it's kind of a pain to get to. It is right back in there. So let's go ahead and get those out and put in the new battery. Heavy buggers. All right, battery number 2 out. Tuck and roll. All right. Now I got those 2 big buggers out, let's grab the one Lion Energy battery. I'm hoping it fits in the same carrying case, so I should be able to just plug and play. And that would be sweet. This one Lion Energy lithium battery, this is the 1300 Safari, should be able to take the place of those 2 lead acid. It also has a lifetime warranty for the life of the battery. charge cycles are way better. It's just better in general. It's kind of like comparing one of your old drills to one of the new lithium battery powered drills. It just works so much better. So hopefully we can just throw this in and get going. These two batteries together, pretty close to 100 pounds. This one, 20. That is a huge weight savings. 100 pounds, 20 pounds. 100 pounds is about the weight of my B&W companion hitch. And I'm packing that around just in batteries. Getting rid of all that weight for this one. Now, I should be able to just plug and play with this new battery. I haven't bought the lithium charger, so my charging cycle is going to take a little bit longer, but that should be fine. Being weekenders, we don't need it charging every single day to full max, all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to hopefully be able to just use it without doing the new charger, but they're $100, so if I need to grab one, I'll snag one of them as well. Now, I'm not going to go into all the different amps and wattages and all those sort of things because I honestly don't understand all this stuff. What it comes down to is with lithium power, you get longer lasting power and more power. Other than these two, we now have one, and it should put out more power and last longer. So that's the ultimate goal. When they ship them, they cannot ship them full, but I just picked it up at the store. They had it there. So it is at 60% right now, so it'll charge the rest of the way. And then if you look here, it says that it has 12.8 volts, 105 amp hours. Like I said, I don't understand all this completely. All I know is this should work a bunch better. So let's go ahead and throw it in. Good deal. So you can see how much smaller it is. It actually leaves quite a bit of room in there. I'll need to find something to keep it from moving around so much, fill in that spot, but yeah, fits so far. I have to think of what to put in there, but that went in pretty easy. Just hooked it up like a regular battery. No extra wiring, no different things, any of that sort of stuff. Now, just to see if it works. Try out the different stuff and make sure everything's hooked up right. Usually this takes me 4 or 5 times because I mess up usually, so. Alright, so now we're unplugged. Let's go see what works. With that all hooked up, everything seems to be working well. We're going to plug it in and let it charge. We're heading out tomorrow camping. Where we're going, we aren't dry camping, but we might see how it does. We'll run the furnace all night with it and those sort of things and see how long it'll last as compared to our old deep cycle. So if this can get a full charge on it by the time we leave tomorrow, we'll see if it can make it through the night with the furnace running, and yeah, should be good. We were finally able to make it, and we're all set up here at one of our favorite campgrounds. Kind of a little hidden secret here in Utah. But we're going to be testing the new Lion Energy lithium battery. I know this is a RV park with full hookups, that sort of stuff, but what I'm doing, instead of hooking up the electrical, I'm just going to do it like if we were boondocking. I did hook up the water though, and we're going to see how it does. When I picked up the battery, they were kind of like, we don't know how fast it'll charge with the system that you have. But just after being plugged in last night, it was fully charged. So we're at 100% charge right now, and it's supposed to get down to probably about 30 tonight. And we'll see how it does running the furnace and everything else through the night to see if it can make it. Hopefully one battery can replace 2. It was a little bit smaller than the old one, so I had to take a little bit of the old packaging and just put it right there. That way it doesn't move around too much. But if we just check it, let's see what it's telling us. Yep, we're 100% charged right now, so hopefully it'll make it through the night running the furnace and everything else for us. Really cool battery. One of the best parts about camping with Eldon and Dixie, you show up and they have hamburgers waiting.
Oh.
Before I worry too much about the battery and all that stuff, I'm just going to appreciate this great campsite. Right next to the river, sun setting. Oh, It is our favorite place if we want to come camping and just relax. And that is the plan this weekend, is just to sit around, relax, and enjoy. So after running the battery and the furnace all night, the furnace never shut off. It was down low 30s. It got down to 20%, but the battery never shut off and the furnace never shut off. So overall pretty good. Our 2 lead acid batteries never made it through the night running like that. So 1 battery running all night and it made it. Cold enough that my water line froze. Well, the weekend's over. We're back. Trailer's put up. But wanted to just do a final mention of how much we liked our Lion Energy lithium battery. 1 battery more than made up for our 2 lead acid batteries. The temperatures were pretty low. One night was 20 degrees, one night was 30 degrees, cold enough that it froze our water hose the first night. And the furnace ran basically the whole night. And the battery made it all the way down to 20%, but it was still running when I hooked it up back to power to charge it up. They were worried that it might take a little while to charge it, but it took, 2 or 3 hours, and it was charged, which I was very surprised about. That's faster than my lead acid batteries would have charged. So overall, I don't find any negatives really about switching over to this lithium battery. If you're interested in switching over to lithium, check out Lion Energy. There's a link down below. There's a promo code jauntjunkies, and it'll save you 15% on anything you purchase from them. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, however many batteries you want, and make your rig as lithium powered as you would like it to be. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend.